So the gate has hinges, new hinges, and can lift off. Nicely secured. And we had to change the latch mainly because of the weight of the gate now, because the gate is much heavier than it used to be, but it self-closes and I think it's much safer. We used all the same timbers, so we're recycling. The top of the fence was repaired, so that's all back in one piece now. Painting was not included. We didn't ask for quoting for painting. We can get someone to do that. That's pretty easy. The liquor paint, that'll come up quite well. Fit for purpose, ready to go.